Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact project folder you intend to use. This sets the working directory for the terminal. Once done, make sure a shell like PowerShell or Bash is installed and on your path so VSCode can find it. Then grant any necessary permissions so VSCode can spawn processes. This first step avoids errors later, and it establishes why the integrated terminal will open in the correct folder and use the shell you expect. Now open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ or from the View menu so you can run commands immediately. Next, set your preferred default shell via the terminal menu. Choosing PowerShell or Bash ensures predictable behavior for scripts. Create additional terminals with the plus icon and split them when you need parallel tasks. Make sure to check the terminal's current working directory. If it differs, reopen the folder or use CD to correct it, which keeps workflows consistent. Finally, execute your commands, npm install .NET build Python script, py directly in the integrated terminal to see output and errors in context. For repeated steps, create tasks or a launch. JSON so you can run builds and debuggers with one click. If the terminal does not appear or shows the wrong shell, open View right arrow terminal, confirm the default shell in settings, and restart VSCode. As a troubleshooting tip, verify the shell executable path in settings if terminals fail to start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.